All right, here we are, 1637 Piping Rock. And here is our street view. We sit below the cul-de-sac just a bit, maybe 2 or 3 feet, nothing drastic. But it gives a little bit of privacy though. All right, here is the living room. This is from the view from the front door. It's got a nice fireplace, and that wall there separates the kitchen and the living room. We'll go into the kitchen. It's a nice, bright, open kitchen. It's got lots of windows in there. It's got granite countertops. All the appliances look to be in pretty good shape. You got a nice row of uppers, a double oven there, all black appliances. They all match for the most part, not by brand, but by color. And then dining room, obviously, nice view out to the backyard, lots of trees. Here is the laundry room. It's got a little pantry storage area there with the washer and dryer. And then here is the garage. And it's a nice garage, nothing special though. It does have the door to the outside, which is nice. And it's got looks like I don't know, maybe a new-ish water heater. I don't know, 6, 8 years old, something like that. Central back there as well. And there's a window to the garage, so you get a little bit of natural sunlight in here. But I would say it's kind of small. You have the small sides on there, and not super deep. And we'll come back in. To the left here is the master, and it's a nice big master. There's a double bed set up in here right now. Windows, and then a decent sized closet. Alright. And then to the back here is the master bath, and it's got a nice little garden tub here. And then it's got a double vanity as well. Same matching cabinets. And then here's your shower. It's a nice, neat, clean shower. And then there's your toilet. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a little bubbling on the floor here, almost like maybe there's a little water damage. Nothing too drastic, but you can kind of see it. And you're down a little more on the floor level here. Another oddity about the floor, the transitions here, there's tape in between the tile and the wood flooring here. There's tape, and it's like this on all the transitions. I don't know why it's like that, but that is the way it is. So back in the kitchen, you look over here, there's the front, some nice big windows out in the front. And then there is the split floor plan. So you have a bedroom on the right. And it's got big, tall windows with the arches in it. And then a pretty standard closet there. You have a single bathroom over here with a full bath. So it's a tub and a shower. And then the sink there. And then you have your final bedroom. And it has the windows out to the backyard. You get our closet there, the same ceiling fan that's in the front bedroom, and we'll head outside. Alright, we are out on the back patio, and it is a great outdoor space. There are a couple of houses around, but a nice big lot. There's a little pond here, and I'm assuming it's just shut off because of the wintertime. But lots of trees, a nice shed back there, privacy fencing all around, and a great big deck to go along with the patio. It does have a few maintenance issues, but nothing too drastic. I think a lot of what you see here is more pooled up pollen than anything. It doesn't look to be in too bad a shape. And there is a hot tub here. I have no clue what condition that's in. But really, a very nice house with a tile roof. Really, all in all, I think a very nice setup.